I can see birds flying. I see children smiling. When I think about all of the things that you and me could be, I want to be with you both day and night. To sit on the grass beneath the moonlight. I know that life won't last forever, but at least we can grow old together. I can see the sunrise reflecting in your eyes. When I think about all of the things that you and me could be, I want to be with you both day and night. Sit on the grass beneath the moonlight. I know that life won't last forever, but at least we can grow old together.
ever change my life, I would up and go. I would up and go. I'd walk out of sight. But I'm glad I rearranged it, rearranged from falling apart. Cause it built me a mosaic, a perfect puzzle to capture my heart. And so I promise I'll be there for you. I'll pick you up when you fall. You know I'll be here when you need me to, so you won't have to swim low.
Just the thought of you, of falling for you, my world turns upside down. Questions of how